surface. Okay. Here this is rough surface now. For example, here a marble nana chinna goli. Marble rolls on the rough surface. After some time, what happens? Marble is at rest. Its meaning is, once again I repeat, marble rolls on the rough horizontal surface. After some time, what happens? This marble rest. Its meaning is some opposing force acts on the marble. Some opposing force acting on the marble. This opposing force is called as frictional force. Once again I repeat, a marble rolls on the rough surface. Initially its motion. After some time it will be rest because of opposing force. Okay? Nana, this opposing force is frictional force. Frictional force generally denoted by, once again I repeat, frictional force denoted by small f. Okay? In the situation, look here now. Frictional force denoted by small f. Okay, Nana? Here, in the situation, frictional force denoted by small f. This is parallel to surface. This is the surface. Frictional force also here. Simply frictional force parallel to surface. That's why this frictional force is called as tangential force. Once again I repeat, frictional force is parallel to surface. That's why frictional force is called tangential force, which always oppose relative motion between two surfaces in contact, which opposes relative motion between two surfaces are kept in two surfaces are kept in contact. Write down all. Frictional force is oppose. This is most important point. Which always oppose relative motion between two surfaces in contact. Once again definition. What is the friction? Frictional force is tangential force which always oppose the relative motion between two surfaces are kept in contact. I discuss some examples, Nana. Friction I discuss, Nana. First example 1. This is the rough surface, Nana. This is symbol. Rough surface. Here I apply body. Here body is placed on the rough horizontal surface. Here F be the force applied on the body. Because of external force, body moves towards the right. In the situation, friction always oppose the motion. Simply called as friction always oppose and parallel to the surface. Simply, friction is opposite to the applied force. Look here. Another example. Look here. This is the boy now. This is the boy. This boy walking towards the right. This boy walking towards the right. In the situation, your leg, 5 fingers ఉంటాయి కదా బాటంలో, ఆ ఫింగర్స్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే నడిచేటప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఇలా. దట్ మీన్స్ దీస్ 5 fingers moves in this direction. That means external force on the surface is this direction. Actually boy moves in this direction, don't worry, okay, towards the right. But your observation, your fingers, 5 fingers, because of boy is in motion, look like here, look like. In this situation, external force act on the surface is in this direction. Always friction is opposite to the external force. That's why here friction act in the same direction of motion of the boy. Once again I repeat, a boy moves towards the east. Friction also act towards the east because a boy walking towards the east, he 5 fingers on the leg, okay, moves towards the west. Frictional force always opposite to the external force. That's why here friction acts in the same direction of motion of the boy. Okay, look here. This is observation phenomenon. Next, example 3 nana. Example 3 nana. Okay, this example 3 according to example 3 nana. Okay, here in the example 3 I take vehicle nana. Vehicle consists of 4 wheels. This is front wheel. This is rear wheel. Okay, here this vehicle moves towards the right. This is the rough surface. Generally any vehicle engine is connected to the back wheel, rear wheel. Cycle అయినా చూడండి, సైకిల్ కి చైన్ దేనికి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది? బ్యాక్ వీల్, రేర్ వీల్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సింప్లీ హియర్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజిన్ ఇట్ మూవింగ్ ఏ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. Here, look here, it moving a clockwise direction. Here external force applied in this direction because of engine. We notice friction always act opposite to the external force. Simply, this is the direction of friction in the rear wheel. What is the direction of friction on the rear wheel? Friction direction is same direction of motion of the vehicle. This is the rear wheel. Now once again, on the rear wheel, friction direction is same direction of motion of the wheel. My front wheel, this is the rough surface. Here friction act. Friction act tangential force. It pull here. It will be rotate. Both clockwise nana, అంతేగాని ఇది క్లాక్ ఇది యాంటీ క్లాక్ తిరిగిద్దా? తిరగకూడదు నన్నా. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ హెల్ప్స్ టు మూవ్ ద ఫ్రంట్ వీల్. సింప్లీ ఆన్ ద ఫ్రంట్ వీల్ frictional force act opposite direction of the motion of the vehicle. On the rear wheel, frictional force act in the same direction of motion of the wheel. Coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction denoted by mu. What is the use of coefficient of friction? Mu value more, that surface is more rough. Mu value less, that surface is more smooth surface. Simply depends upon the mu, the surface is rougher, smoother, can be identified. Okay? It is mathematically defined as coefficient of friction, mathematically defined as ratio of frictional force by normal reaction. What is the decidement of coefficient of friction? Mu value more, that is more rough. Mu value less, that is less rough, that means smooth. Coefficient of friction denoted by mu. What is the definition? The ratio of frictional force by normal reaction force. According to this situation, what is the frictional force definition? Mu into N. Here, mu indicate coefficient of friction, N indicate normal reaction. Once again I discuss what is the normal reaction. This is the surface, Nana. This is the body. Okay? In the situation, weight always vertically downwards. Simply, body says a action. According to Newton third law, floor says a opposite reaction. Floor says a opposite reaction. Simply, the pressure exerted by the surface is called normal reaction force. It is always perpendicular to surface. In the situation, in the equilibrium condition, what is the value of N? mg. Okay? Any case, the given surface is horizontal surface. What is the value of normal reaction force? mg. Keep in your mind. This is inclined plane. Look here now. Here, angle of inclination theta. This is also called as wedge. Here, a body is placed. We know that parallel to slope, the weight component is mg sin theta. Perpendicular to surface, perpendicular to inclined surface, weight component is mg cos theta. We know that body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. This is called normal reaction. It is always perpendicular to given surface. In the situation, N balances the mg cos theta. Once again I repeat here. What is the value of normal reaction on horizontal surface? mg. What is the value of normal reaction on the inclined plane? mg cos theta. Okay? Here, what is the coefficient of friction formula? Mu equal to F by N. What is the frictional force formula? Mu into N. Here, N value on the horizontal surface, mg. What is the value of N on the inclined surface? mg cos theta. 4.